We don't want people to take the laws into their own hands. They just need to start reporting.
First at 6, that's what the Hidalgo County District Attorney says. He wants the public to take away from the Pharr brothers case. Today, one of the brothers was sentenced to 10 years in prison for the beating death of their stepdad.
The other brother had his charges dropped. A third person was given probation. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Dina Herrera Garza.
And I'm Javier Guerra. The incident took place after a younger relative claimed she was touched inappropriately by the stepdad.
Channel 5's Sarah Cervera is live outside the Hidalgo County Courthouse. Sarah, their legal troubles aren't over just yet.
Both brothers have an ICE detainer, which means they could possibly be deported. And today's outcome in court is a result of plea deals, and it also brings an end to a 3-year-old murder case.
No one wins in situations like this.
It was a sad situation all around.
That's how the story ends for the Pharr brothers, as their case is now closed. Alejandro and Christian Trevino were in court today, along with a family friend, Juan Melendez. Today, Christian pleaded guilty to the murder of his stepfather, Gabriel Quintanilla. The three were arrested back in 2022 after Pharr police say they beat Quintanilla in 3 different locations and then left his body in a McAllen field. It comes after a younger relative told them that Quintanilla allegedly touched her inappropriately. While charges were never filed in that case, the Pharr Police Department did have a warrant out for Quintanilla for continuous sexual abuse of a child. Police say it was unrelated to the allegations. Today, a judge sentenced Christian to 10 years in prison for his role in Quintanilla's death. His attorney, Carlos Garcia, says that he'll get credit for time served.
Christian received credit for 1,352 days in custody, and so that will be subtracted from the 10 years that he pled to today.
Alejandro is off the hook after a judge agreed to drop his charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. His attorney argued that he was just defending his brother.
The facts were that when Alejandro sees Christian and Mr. Quintanilla fighting, Mr. Quintanilla is getting the better of Christian. Christian is smaller, he's younger, and so Alejandro stepped in to defend his brother.
The brother's friend Juan Melendez also pleaded guilty to manslaughter. His aggravated assault with a deadly weapon charge was dropped as a part of his plea deal.
The judge ordered him on deferred adjudication, meaning he's basically on probation for 10 years.
His attorney Luis Arola explained that the charge could be dismissed if Melendez follows the conditions of his probation for the next 10 years. We spoke to the Hidalgo County District Attorney Terry Palacios about why the state thought only Christian should spend time in prison. Palacios says that Christian was the only one that used brass knuckles.
He had the weapon in his hand. He was involved in all 3 beatings, so that's why, even though there was mitigating factors.
As we mentioned, Christian and Alejandro both have ICE detainers. Christian's attorney says that once he serves his 10-year prison sentence, he's going to have to go through those immigration proceedings. We reached out to ICE to try to get some more information. In an email, they told us that as of today, both of the brothers, neither of them, are in ICE custody. Live in Edinburgh, Sarah Cervera, Channel 5 News at 6.